Listen to the sound of frost twinkling, to leaves unraveling in the spin of morning light. I'll sit here all day, out of sight, quiet as rabbit, loose as willow. What else will I be but a memory of my footsteps? I am alive every breath, and I am free like the chit-chat of birds and quick clap of beating wings. In this field, this soon-to-be street, where the tip-tap of woodpecker will become that of door knocker, and street lights will blaze in twilight's quiet face, but they will never soothe, never inspire. We are humans being humankind. What will they find when we leave? What do we leave as we find? If we believe in the soul of sea, the heart of hill and lungs of tree, our creations will be of mass protection. This life is a celebration, and the moon will dance in the song of sun. Good things to come, good things to come.